Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by Smileys. So as you can tell by the title, this is a Smileys glitter store haul. I didn't get much from there. I just went on there to get some of the little label stickers. You would have seen on Just Joe Nail Addict, she bought some which were really cute. She got some green ones, and I would show, oh no, they're upstairs. Excuse me. I would have shown you hers, but it has round green ones. It says Just Joe Nail Addict on. Thought they were so cute, so I placed an order. So it came in this big envelope. So I don't know where to. I'm scared I'm going to cut into it. Let me just do it from down here. Should have got bigger scissors, really, shouldn't I? There we go. Took me long enough. Oh my god, I can't even get into it now. Oh, the struggles, people, the struggles I have. Oh, okay. There we go. So here's excuse me, there's a little logo. Thank you for your order, and your foils are inside the envelope for you. I didn't order foils. I don't think I didn't order. I didn't order foils. Oh my god, why am I struggling? Yay! So, ooh, look! How cute! Oh, I love it! So I was emailing back and forth to Sarah, and I didn't know that, you know, the logo that comes up on obviously my YouTube and Instagram. I said to her if that will be able to fit inside. I think these are 25mm circles, and she said to me yes, because I said, well, if they don't fit, then just do the background as pink, and then do Nails by Smileys in the black. But it's actually my logo. Oh, so yeah, I got 3 of those. I think there's 70 72 or 76. Oh, I love them. So Sarah, if you're watching, I'm so happy with these. Oh, thank you very much. And it was super quick delivery. Next day delivery. So I was pleasantly surprised. Oh, I love them. Just a little thank you gift. Just a little free gift as a thank you for you, for your lovely order. Wow, I can't read. Yes, she was saying that she does mats, A4 size, and you could have your logo as well. So actually, I remember her saying that she was going to send me just like a little sample. So this one is obviously a silvery glitter, but I 100% are going to get, I mean this, I don't know what size, it's half of A4. I will definitely get the A4 one and have my logo put on the, oh, I love it. That's really cool. That would be nice for like taking photos or, oh, so thank you very much for that. Oh, okay. I ordered some angel paper. I don't have any this colour. So this is a purple. And it shifts to a green. Wow, and you get quite a lot as well. God, yeah, you do. You get loads. I like that. It's a really pretty colour as well. I like it a lot. Ah, I love these bags. This is so cool. It's like a newspaper article. How cool. Well, I didn't order much. Like I said, I just wanted it for the what do you call it? The stickers. So in these pots, oh, I'm struggling, there you go. Excuse me. I have angel whispers, angel wings. I mean, they are gorgeous glitters, but because it says angel on it, that played a big part in it. So I've already got this angel whispers, but I've only got a small amount left. So it's this beautiful holographic silver. Really pretty. And angel wings. Again, I've got this, but I only got a little bit left. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. So pretty. And then I just ordered coconut ice which is a beautiful glitter. So we have some super fine white, and there's some pink in there, some hexagons, some mylar, and some different sized circles. I've never had this one before, so I thought I'd give that a little go. Really pretty. And Ice Cube, I've got this one, but I don't think I've got much left. So this is a fine white iridescent glitter. It has some small blue iridescent mylar in there. And there's some hexagons. But yeah, that's very beautiful too. And then I saw these, which I think are so cool. I have some of these diamonds. I think I have them in like a metallic grey. But yeah, anyway, so I saw these. They are 3D effect 4mm unicorn diamonds. So they are pink, holographic, pink iridescent. It shifts into a green. They are so pretty. I love them. I love them a lot. So that is it. Didn't go too crazy, which is not like me. I normally get a shitload, but I just wanted them for the stickers, which I love. I will show you again. I love these. Honestly, I love them so much. They're so lovely, and it's just exact. It's amazing. So all I did was just emailed her my logo. And yeah, basically asked her if it'd fit. She said yes. So I placed an order, I think for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh, there's 70. Okay, 70 on the sheet, I think is £2.99, I want to say. Or you can get 3 of them for £7 something. So yeah, I just got 3. I love them. I love them so much. So yeah, that's it. And the mat, cute little prop. So yeah, I am so happy with my order. I'm definitely gonna order a mat with my logo on it. Yeah. Anyway guys, I'm going to go now. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.